Welcome back to Crypto Fox. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. The Doge father, Elon Musk, is at it again. Since the B-Word conference, his activity in the Doge market has gained some renewed momentum. Once again, he's made great use of memes to refer to Dogecoin. This time it came with a message that could be of significance to Doge holders. He questioned the dependence of people on the fiat currency system as it doesn't offer enough freedom and value to society. Thus, this makes the challenge of the crypto industry a good step in the right direction to overcome the rigid fiat system. On the matter of the state of Dogecoin as a currency, Elon Musk implied in his tweet that Doge investors have a precious currency in their hands. How did he do this? He meticulously chose a meme which had Neo, the main protagonist of The Matrix, asking Morpheus, who had a Shiba Inu head, if he could earn a huge amount of money by investing in Dogecoin. To which the Doge Morpheus replies, "No, Dogecoin is money." This is good publicity given that The Matrix is probably one of the most anticipated movies coming up. Morpheus' response makes a lot of sense. After all, Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency. It appears that people often forget the currency aspect of the name of the crypto market. Currency is a means of exchange, and that is what money is. If Dogecoin can be used to buy goods and services, it's nothing other than money. A stereotype has set in that makes us all still consider fiat currencies to be indispensable. But is that the case? We really need to learn not to focus on fiat again, just as Morpheus seems to advise Neo in the meme. Another meme also made waves on social media, which read 1 Doge equals 1 Doge. This meme is but a replication of a historic statement that's only been used for Bitcoin in the past. Ever heard of 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin? Well, it was created as a result of the main goal of Bitcoin to completely offset the comparison of Bitcoin to other fiat currencies, a goal that's being shared by Dogecoin as well. Will there be a day when 1 Doge will be 1 Doge rather than valued in dollars? We exist in a fiat-dominated environment. The value of every asset is measured in fiat, and when the asset itself can do justice to its role as a regular currency. If you can waltz into a market or store and pick up a bag of cereal with a price tag of 0.03 Doge, this sure fits in the picture that Elon Musk might be trying to paint. But Elon Musk is probably still trying to make it up to Dogecoin holders who've endured the crash in the price. The price has decreased by about 73% from its all-time high. His latest tweet had little noticeable effect as the coin only spiked about 3%. In some quarters, it's believed that Dogecoin's infinite supply would hinder its growth, but Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban, another prominent Dogecoin supporter, claimed that inflation could actually make Dogecoin a successful currency. During the recent Bitcoin event, Musk reiterated that Dogecoin's success would be the most ironic and entertaining outcome. It's been a long 7 days, but an exciting week for Dogecoin. The bearish hoodoo is gradually undergoing some makeover since the 21st of July. The coin is poised to break out of the descending channel in which it's been kept for the past month. The coin grew to about 23 cents, but then it dropped down to 20 cents on the average. This confirms the prediction of a retrace and a test of the support before revealing directional intentions. According to FX Street, the price of Dogecoin is caught up between two significant levels. On the daily chart, Dogecoin spent the first 3 weeks in July within a descending parallel channel, which was formed on June 27th. The coin is now closed above the upper limit of the chart pattern. Another parallel channel was drawn above the current technical pattern to give Dogecoin price a measured target. Doge exceeded expectations as it briefly traded 6% above the topside trend line of the channel, before failing to close above it as well as the 38.2% Fibonacci extension level at 20 cents. Dogecoin price appears to be enduring a retracement that usually follows a swing high and could be due to retest critical support areas. Doge appears to be stuck within the 38.2% Fib extension level and the 23.6 Fib level at 19 cents, which acts as the first line of defense. What this means is that Dogecoin's nearest meaningful support is around 19 cents. This is a level at which it has to retest before showing clearer indications of future price moves. Its dip from 23 cents to 20 cents is nothing but a small retracement of its swing high to that level. The mark at 19 cents is expected to host as a solid line of defense, protecting Dogecoin from a dip. However, if selling pressure were to see a spike, the coin could fall within the demand barrier, which extends from 16 to 18 cents. The activity of Dogecoin in the next few days could present the opportunity to garner further gains, but this is possible if Dogecoin can continue to close above 19 cents. There is an increasing assumption that Dogecoin could be ready for a bullish run. What earmarks this is the evidence of its relative strength index. The growth of Dogecoin on July 26th happened outside the influence of overbought conditions. Analysts have pointed out that this could mean that Dogecoin still has more room to grow with intent on an uptrend. An increase in volume would be a clear indication that should catalyze investor interest and increase buying pressure. This will ultimately confirm the bullish theory. There's also some great news about Dogecoin coming from Cronos Advanced Technologies. The company has recently developed a new product called the Air Doge. This is a limited edition air purifier with Dogecoin's name on it. They've also announced the manufacture of a first-gen Dogecoin miner that's been designed to work with the Air Doge. Miners of Dogecoin will have access to a private mining pool as long as they own an Air Doge. Mining pools are created by pooling of resources by miners who share their processing power over a network to split the reward equally, according to the amount of work they contributed to the probability of finding a block. A share is awarded to members of the mining pool who present a valid partial proof of work. Cronos Advanced Technologies was the first ever publicly traded company to accept Dogecoin, and now Dogecoin can be used to pay for a series of Cronos line of patented air purifiers. According to Cronos CEO Michael Rubinov, the idea for Air Doge coincided with the company's decision as the first company trading the stock market to accept payment in Dogecoin, together with their popular product already then named Air Dog. That would be an interesting decision, as the coin was just below 5 cents. The company has been accepting Dogecoin since then, and with the coin's price at 22 cents, they've reaped massively off its growth this year, and are still opting to hodl for long-term appreciation. The calls for an upgrade of Dogecoin seem to be gaining traction as well. Currently, its movement is being fueled by the $200 billion Bitcoin and crypto price rally. Elon Musk also seems to have returned to the status quo, and he might be fully embracing Dogecoin in a bid to help lift it to new heights. Investors can look forward to having him fulfill his objective of taking Dogecoin to the moon. The most important thing right now is to remain objective and focus on what's happening in the market. You might opt to wait for a confirmed bullish run before buying Dogecoin. But if everyone opted to wait for such a sign every time, the market would barely move at all. The importance of buying pressure cannot be overstated in the short and long term. Learn to buy the dip, and every attempt to buy increases the buying pressure that will sponsor the next big move in the market. And also, it will help you gain maximum profits since you bought in at a lower price. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hollywood car sale.